Hello everyone, this is Martin and I'm really excited for you to see this video. I want to celebrate the end of 2020, which was a year full of surprises, heartaches, and disappointments and all kinds of stuff. I want to celebrate again the end of 2020. We had a really good winning year with regards to my signals, and I'm excited to show that to you. Okay, for those new subscribers and people that recently got on board with my free trade signals, I started the whole program back here in October 7th, and it ran to just last week. We only started October 7th. It was basically just 2 months and just a wee bit beyond that. And here are the results. The main thing is I ended 2020 with a really big bang, as you can see here with the fireworks explosion. Let me tell you, I was surprised when I reviewed my own trade signals. Now, while I was giving out the trade signals, I really didn't go back to the past. I wasn't really keeping a track record of how many wins or losses I had or anything like that. And I just did that recently just to produce this video. So I was kind of surprised at the results myself, and I want to share that with you, okay? So there were a total of 19 free trade signals. Now, I started off back on October 7th really badly with 2 losses in a row. And, I was starting to doubt myself. But then, bam, I ended up with an amazing 82% winning record after the 2 losses. Okay, for those people watching this video for the very first time or watching the series of my videos for the very first time, welcome everyone to ABC Free Forex Signals. And this is me, guys, right here. My name is Martin, and I'm a proud Canadian trader, okay? Been trading for over 7 years, and I have a worldwide audience, and it's really great to hear from a lot of the students and a lot of the traders who have been with me for a long time. So it's always great to keep in touch with everyone. But anyways, with this new program, ABC Free Forex Signals, you guys can get that. There's no charge. They're totally free. I work on the daily candles, so you're not going to get a lot of signals during the daytime. Basically, it's a free and simple, easy way to trade Forex, guys. And if you want a relaxed way of trading, then you owe it to yourself to contact me. You have to send me your email address. Once I get your email address, I'll put you on my VIP list, and you're all set. There's nothing else to do, and I'll be sending you your free Forex signals. Now, I'm going to share with you the results of my trading signals as of October 7th. I'm going to do that in just a moment, a few seconds away from now. And before I do that, I have a very, very important message. It's important I show this to you. This is my humble disclaimer, guys. It's really important that you understand this. So when you're taking my free signals, I want you to understand first and foremost that my free signal service is an educational program. Okay, I'm not giving you any investment advice. I'm not going to tell you to trade anything. You have to do this on your own, and hopefully you're following the program and learning for you to make some pretty good decisions. So this is the way to learn. Now, don't blame me if you lose all your money. You probably weren't paying attention to what I'm teaching you, and you're not following my instructions, okay? Also, remember, for now, you're trading on a demo account. Now, this is really important. Later on in the new year, if you're still with the program here, I'll let you know when you guys are ready to trade on a live account. But right now, I want everybody to trade only on a demo account, and further, with a maximum 1% risk of your account balance. So, I mean, even though you're on demo, I still want you to get used to 1% risk of your account balance. So if your account balance, as an example, is, let's say, $500, then I don't want you to risk more than $5. If your account balance on, let's say your demo account is 10,000, then the maximum you could lose would be 100, or what you should lose maximum is $100. Always remember to adhere to your maximum 1% risk of your account balance. Okay, so Having said that, one more important thing before I share with you the results of the trade signals. This is really important, and you've got to get it into your head that the number one, first and last rule in trading Forex is to always protect your money. Always, okay? So that's number one rule. It's more important to understand and learn how to protect your money than it is even how to make your money, okay? You need to protect your money first. Now, at the end of this video, down below in the description, the written description below the video, you can find out how to get your free money management indicator at the end of this video. And this free indicator is so amazing. It'll actually tell you how much money you can, depending on, whatever your account balance is, it'll tell you exactly how much money you can put at risk. It'll also, for every trade you open, it'll tell you where to put your stop loss, which is, guys, it's one of the most important aspects of trading. You always have to know where your stop goes in case price goes against you. And it's also going to give you other information as to your lot size, which is important. So you have to know when you open up a brand new trade, what's the maximum lot size you can trade with, and it's also going to give you a first profit target level. So this is the same indicator I use, and I'm going to give this to you. It's free. You'll find it in the description below the video, okay? So let's get right down to the statistics. Here's the 2020 end of year results from October 7th to December 16th. I gave out a total of 19 trade signals, guys. Okay, and 14 were wins, so we had 14 winners, 5 losses, which is really good. Remember, we're trading on the daily charts, okay, and that means that we often, when I give out a trade signal, I'm looking for price to go in our direction, perhaps not right away, but over the next 2, 3, 4 days, okay. And with this process here, guys, we had a 74% winning ratio. So 74% of my trade signals were winners, which is really, really good. Now, I had one bad trade. By that I mean the confirmation filters did not all agree. I missed it. Not purposely, I missed it by accident. And so in reality, I should not have given you the one bad trade. It was at the end of November that I gave you a trade there. And without this one bad trade, then the winning percentage would have gone up from 74 to 78%. So even better, guys. Okay. Now, this is interesting. I started off providing you with the free trade signals on October the 7th, and I started off with 2 losses in a row. Now, this was crazy, guys. So here I was, getting excited, getting ready to send you the trade signals, and I started off with 2 losses. So it wasn't a good start for me. However, after the first 2 losses, the remaining signals after that, so the 17 signals after the first 2 losses, gave us all an 82% winners ratio. So of all the trades I gave you after the first 2 losses, after I started the program, we had an 82% winning rate. So that was really good. So you can see getting better and better. Now, of the 19 trades and of the winners, there were 8 winning trades that reached the second profit target level or better. Now, this is important because remember, one of the things I'm trying to teach you is patience. I'm trying to teach you to hold on to the trades. Don't panic if a price goes against you, okay? And in this case, there were 8 winning trades, which is really good, that reached the second take profit target level, which meant that it gave you even more and more pips. Okay, so this is really, really good news here. Now, there are 4 trades that reversed back past the DTL line. That's the big moving average, the big thick line on the chart. I'm going to show you the chart of our last winning trade signal in just a moment. Okay, so if you're new to this video and you don't know what I'm talking about, that's okay. I'll show you what that means in a second, okay? And it's we call it the DTL line, or the dominant trend line, okay? So 4 trades reversed back, and what's the significance of that? Well, it gave us an auto stop. It gave us an automatic stop to prevent price from getting bigger, the loss from getting bigger, I should say. Okay, so that's called trading within the plan. Okay, so as soon as we saw this happen, and it went against us and crossed this big thick line on the charts, automatically we knew we had to get out of trade. We were not going to wait anymore to see if price went back in our direction. We weren't going to hope. We weren't going to, do anything except close the trade, which is what you're supposed to do. And that is to prevent a loss from getting bigger. Okay. Now, the most losses in a row, we had 2. Okay, so we had 2 in a row. That was the most losses in a row. However, for winners, we actually had at one point 6 winners in a row. So that's a really good statistics. How about how many pips won? Well, we almost reached 1,200 pips that we won, and this is net, guys. This is net after the losses. So I already took out. We lost about 400 and something pips. Okay, so I took that out from all the pips gained, and we ended up with almost 1,200 pips. Okay, and this also includes a huge winner with the Australian gold signal I gave earlier, and that was almost 500 pips on it. So that really added and gave us the 1,200 pips. Okay, there's a little bit of information about how you value or count the pips in gold. Basically, when you're trading gold against the US dollar, it's best to see price move in dollars and cents. However, you can read this, guys, and if you have any questions, you can get back to me. Basically, on the MetaTrader 4 platform, the crosshair tool does give you a large number, but you have to divide that by 10 to get the pips, because it's actually that large number that the crosshair tool gives you is in points. It's actually not in pips. So it's let's say 5,000 points is actually 500 pips, because 10 points is equal to 1 pip, and that's with most brokers. Okay, so just a bit of a heads up on that, and let's go to the next slide. Okay, I want to go, and for all the new viewers out there and old viewers as well, I want to go to the last trade signal I gave on December 16th. This is what it looked like right here, guys. It said buy Australian CAD, okay, the Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar. The signal was given out on December the 16th. And the entry here, guys, I give you an entry 0.9651 or better. And that means like we're looking to take a buy trade. That means we're looking for price to go higher. So in case price goes lower first, then you can enter a buy trade at a lower price. In other words, get in at a lower price. And when price goes higher, you can exit with a little bit more profit. So I usually give you that kind of an instruction for every trade signal. I also give you a stop loss here. In this case, 0.9556. I give you a first profit target right here and a second profit target level right here, guys. So that's what the signals look like. And unfortunately, this was the last signal of the year. We're so close to Christmas, guys. I just can't afford to give you any more signals. I'm actually running out of time myself. We've got things to do, and price could go all over the place right now. It's not a great time to trade. So it's time to take a rest and wait for the new signals in the new year. But this is what the last signal looked like. We're going to look at the actual chart and see what happened. Okay, here's the chart I'm using, guys. And again, I've mentioned this many times in my past videos. At some point in the new year, you'll be getting the same charts with the new indicators. I'm going to teach you a little bit more of how I take the trades and that. But right now, I need you to do only one important thing. That is follow the process, and the process right now is just follow what I'm doing. So whatever signals I give you, just take the signals. And as you can see, when I reported earlier, out of 19 trades, we had 14 were winners, guys. So you would have made some pretty good money. Okay. Now here's the chart. Let me just take my my tool here. And take a look at this candle right there, guys. Okay, so the signal I gave you was at the end of this candle right here, the beginning of that candle. You can see there's my first profit target level, my second profit target level. Here is the stop loss, guys, I gave you. Okay, so it's really easy. Just place a trade. You can see right away on that same day or the next day, you would have gone up to here. And then even past, you would have hit the first profit target, and we're just shy of the second profit target. So it's up to you if you want to close your trade right now in profit for those conservative traders, or you want to just keep your trade open to see if it hits the second profit target level. Okay, right now we're just shy of that. So that's this is what happened with the last trade signal I gave you. It was a buy Australian dollar CAD, and you can see exactly what happened. As I thought it would, it went up and up and up. And right now, guys, I'm letting you know the Australian dollar versus the CAD could be one of your best trades. I actually expect price to keep going much higher. But again, it may go up a little bit, come back down, retrace, and then continue going back. So this is a really good pair of trade. You can watch this in the near future. So this is the trades. This is how the trade signals work. And all you have to do is place the trade on your charts, and away you go. So for between 70 and 80% of the time, you're going to make money. Okay, I've got big plans for the future for 2021. This is what I'm looking forward to, okay? And again, I have high expectations. So first of all, right over here, you can see I aim to provide better signals based on strength and momentum. So I'm looking to give you even better and more consistent signals than I have in the past. Next, I will look toward improving my winning percentage. I'm looking to get my winning percentage between 80 and 85%, guys, okay? Right now, it's around the 74% level, which is really good. I mean, there aren't that many people out there in the world and professional traders who are actually giving you signals based on daily candles. Yeah, for sure, you can find a lot of people giving you signals, and they're giving you intraday signals, which probably is easier to do on a short term, but not everyone can look at their computers all day. So there are people out there doing that providing you with that kind of signal service. And also remember, guys, most people giving you signals are charging you. There's a cost for it. Sometimes between $49 and $100 a month, guys. So you got getting this free, and I want you to understand that that's the value of this service. It's a free service for now, okay? So next, I want to make sure that my signals are very easy to follow. I'm taking steps to actually present my signals in an easier way, have the information presented simpler and easier. So again, I'm always looking to improve. And lastly, I want to retain my position as one of the best signal providers anywhere. That is my goal. So hopefully by next year, you're going to hear a lot more about me. Other traders from around the world or students who want to get on board will learn about me. And this is what my expectation is for next year. And your expectation should be just to learn and become better traders and stop making silly mistakes, okay? Now, to get my free signals, because a lot of people are asking, how do I get them? Well, if you want my free trade signals, send me your email address. I'll put you on my VIP list. Here it is, send to. Right here you can see my email address is mskyj007@gmail.com. So that's where you send me a message telling me you want to receive the free signals. Okay, if I don't get your email address, and it better be a real email address, not something that's made up or whatever, but give me your best email address, and I'm going to get you on my VIP list. So this is the way I send out the signals for now. That's the real reason I need your email address, okay? And finally, guys, cheers from Canada. This is the end of the video. It's the end of 2020. Thank goodness we can look forward to next year and the virus. Hopefully all of us will get the virus shot in our arms, and that's going to help stop this virus from spreading. So again, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Here, hit the subscribe button below the video. Hit the bell. You need to hit or click on the bell, which gets the videos, all new videos, into your inbox, okay? And finally, you can also click on the like and send me a comment, and I'll be more than happy to respond back to you. So take care. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. We'll look forward to keeping in touch with you. Happy New Year, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, take care. Bye for now.